And you're so strong.
안녕하세요.
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 NG 스튜디오의
J입니다.
N입니다.
Yes.
오늘은 드디어 미시간에서 날씨가 따뜻해졌어요. 진짜
It's
좋아.
finally spring.
겨울이 너무 길어요. No sliding. Yeah.
눈폭풍이 왔네요.
We're enjoying the weather. To celebrate the warm weather, we're going to have a barbecue today. Jay wanted to have a wood barbecue, so we got some logs, but he can't cut them, so we had to get Josh to come and help cut the logs because Josh is young and strong.
I'm old and
Unlike
fat.
Jay.
I'm old and fat. Today we're gonna do the Korean barbecue. We're gonna have a samgypsal.
samgypsal, 양념갈비, Galbi, steak, lots of good stuff. 파절이.
And actually like mustard. 파절이
Yeah.
mustard. So it's gonna be awesome.
lots of 쌈 세 가지 있어요. 쌈무.
I hope Josh likes it.
You got it.
I
I
don't
think
know. The
Korean barbecue is like pretty safe.
I'll be honest, I'm in for a pleasant surprise because I have zero idea of anything that you said that we're eating.
Oh
We'll find
yeah,
out.
we did it all in Korean.
Oh, okay. We barbecue like pork belly. It's not common for like Western people,
But it's
but
really
it is
good.
really good. Really good.
Samgyupsal
It's not
맛있다.
nothing like bacon. Bacon is like really processed, salty.
We had a
Let's-
lot of work to do, so we gotta rest and have a beer before we start.
Okay, let's drink beer
Cheers.
first, and let's get to work.
After.
Oh, after. 양파를 갈아 넣어야지 양념이 맛있습니다.
맛있겠다. 그거랑 설탕 어떻게 달아?
This one makes like
Glaze?
yeah glaze. Oyster sauce
Mix.
mix.
오, 눈에 매워. 짜란. 우와, 진짜 많이 만들었어. 이제 양념 만들어야 돼. 이제 드디어 완료됐습니다. 와, 드디어 완료됐습니다. 와, 엄청 피곤해.
No, I don't even know who was telling me this. My uncle or something was saying, "Oh, just put everything like by a south-facing window." I have a feeling she's gonna try to eat the leaves.
That's okay. Come here. Oh. She'll get really hot.
Really?
Oh.
Stand.
Ah.
Young guy. That's bigger.
What? First shot.
Sorry, Jay. Way to edit that part out.
No. Looks like a good way to take out your frustration, but I think that was too.
Hey, Boba. So now the labor came. We have Sebastian here. So your turn.
Catherine?
Nice.
And you.
Well, the one thing I've learned about swinging an axe is always spread your legs. That way, if you miss, it doesn't go into your side. It goes down beneath.
Whoa, it sounds. And you're so strong. And you.
We're gonna get it.
I'm not doing anything.
Ah,
Next. I'll do more.
It's like
though.
hot potato or
how was it?
That was fun.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
여러분 고기 먹기가 이렇게 힘듭니다.
Wait, do you have a bigger
the rest of it's gonna.
아이고, 무슨 산적 같네.
You think we can do it?
Yeah, well,
We're
more than halfway
over
there.
halfway there.
I did that.
What happened? It's done? Whoa!
chop there.
I don't think it will help.
Well, broke the cement.
Oh no! Whoa! Harder.
Okay, this is small enough.
Start now.
Where's the cooler?
It just takes forever.
Started off at like 8.5-minute miles, and then we got down to like 7.5. You're also built to be a football player or a bouncer at a club. I'm built to be the guy who runs away from the bouncer at the club.
Oh,
No, I did.
예뻐.
We didn't start the fire.
So because I'm like, I don't think I can go around for 7 minutes. But I do it.
That's really impressive, man. So figure skating, ice dancing, paradise.
When? Antonia, let's go.
No, me neither.
Here.
I played this season of basketball. I think I touched the ball twice. I'll more than a couple times, but that means like no rebounds.
Is this regular bacon or quicker?
Lefto.
No, we make this too.
Yeah?
It's
제일
really
맛있겠다.
dry. It's not so we're like right away.
Dang.
It looks,
I'm sure it's not
it looks dang
for
good.
you, but-
That was pretty
Whoa.
good, yeah.
맛있겠다. 배고파.
Yeah, 버섯.
난 버섯
Oh,
제일
you bought
좋아해.
the
예,
Asian
버섯
솔직히
맛있어요.
I
말하면
couldn't use it all.
버섯 진짜 맛있어.
버섯 제일 맛있어요.
한국에 가기 전에 버섯 별로 안
Oh, we got
먹었어요.
the 10 days. I think I've used 3 already.
하지만 이렇게 먹으면 너무
Then again,
맛있어.
So in Korea, they always use scissors. Wait, you took the bone out?
There's meat in it? Yeah.
I swore I thought they were gone. I swore my parents aren't frogs.
What's that one?
I think this is part. This is genit. It's like perilla leaf. You can always get it in Korea at the barbecues, but I really like it.
Who?
배불러.
I'm guessing
Drove
someone
into it?
ran into it with their truck.
Make cars.
I
So
wish I had that skill set.
That's
Heat.
my goal, man. At some point, I want to do.
it's warm.
Hold on. It's not moving. Oh yeah, it is. Okay.
Done. Yum, 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 yum. 더 줘? More?
Should I stop pulling these?
It's okay.
Yeah, thank you.
So fun.
Is it so fun?
She's so excited about it.
Why?
She got a really big gross one. Shit, yeah, look at that.
Wow, that's a big one.
So gross. We're going to our favorite ice cream store, Stewart's. It's really close, but we're not gonna walk, we're gonna drive because Jay's a lazy bum. And this store is closed in winter, so they just opened for the summer. And since today's warm, I bet a lot of people will be there.
Yeah.
But maybe not because it's the Michigan State basketball game today.
Yeah, it is
so
a really big deal here.
let's go get ice cream. Let's go get ice cream.
It's been a while because
So,
winter's
yeah.
freaking long.
It's been like 7 months, so
It's
we're
horrible
excited.
here.
Let's go.
All right, let's get it.
Stewart's. Next time we'll walk here.
Maybe someday.
Next time.
Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster held by Ice Cream Monster. What do you like? Why you like the 5-year-old?
Well, this one's good with the cookie dough and cookie pieces.
Your ice cream looks like something the 5-year-olds like.
That's why I had eyeballs in it. Today was a good day.
It is. It was. Yeah.
That was a good barbecue.
Yeah.
I'm really full. And we ate ice cream. So I'm pooped.
Yeah, Korean barbecue was pretty good. Huh?
Yeah, Korean barbecue's good stuff.
Some was really good too. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
And I hope you enjoy this video.
And we hope you'll like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
안녕.
안녕.